Welcome to our channel. Today, we are delving into the fascinating world of natural eye health. Are you tired of relying on glasses or contacts? Well, you are in the right place. We are about to explore some incredible techniques to boost your eyesight naturally. No gimmicks, just pure, effective methods. Understanding eyesight. Before we dive into our natural solutions, let's take a moment to understand the amazing complexity of our eyes. From the cornea to the retina, our eyes work tirelessly to give us sight. But sometimes, they need a little extra support. The eye works like a camera, with light entering through the cornea, passing through the pupil, and being focused by the lens onto the retina. Myopia occurs when distant objects appear blurry, while hyperopia, farsightedness, makes nearby objects difficult to see clearly. The importance of eye health. Our eyes aren't just a means to see the world. They're also indicators of our overall health. In today's digital age, with screens dominating our lives, our eyes are under more strain than ever before. Maintaining good eye health extends beyond vision correction. It's crucial for overall well-being. Healthy eyes contribute to quality of life, independence, and productivity. Regular eye care can also detect underlying health conditions early, preventing serious complications. Natural practices for eye health. Segment 1. Eye exercises. Let's dive into some simple eye exercises that can work wonders for improving flexibility and reducing strain. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. Blinking. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Open your eyes wide and blink rapidly for 10-15 seconds. Then, close your eyes again and relax for a few seconds before repeating the process 2 more times. Eye rolls. Sit comfortably with your back straight. Look up as far as you can, then slowly roll your eyes in a clockwise direction. Repeat this motion 3 times, then switch to counterclockwise. Segment 2. Proper nutrition. Ensuring a diet rich in essential nutrients is key to maintaining optimal eye health. Let's delve into some powerhouse foods packed with vital vitamins and minerals. Carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens like spinach and kale are excellent sources of vitamin A. This nutrient is crucial for maintaining good vision, particularly in low light conditions. Citrus fruits such as oranges, strawberries, and kiwis are abundant in vitamin C. This antioxidant helps protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils like sunflower and almond oil are rich in vitamin E. This vitamin plays a vital role in protecting cells in the eyes from damage caused by free radicals. By incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can nourish your eyes and support their long-term health. Remember, a well-balanced diet is not only beneficial for your overall well-being, but also for maintaining clear and vibrant vision. Segment 3. Lifestyle adjustments. It's not just about what you do with your eyes, it's also about how you live your life. From proper posture to stress management, small lifestyle adjustments can make a world of difference in maintaining healthy vision. Stress management. Did you know that stress can have a significant impact on your eye health? The connection between stress and eye strain is undeniable. When we're stressed, our bodies tense up, including the muscles around our eyes, leading to eye strain, discomfort, and even headaches. But fear not. There are effective relaxation techniques that can help alleviate stress and promote eye health. One such technique is yoga, which combines gentle stretching, controlled breathing, and meditation to release tension throughout the body, including the eyes. Incorporating yoga into your daily routine can help reduce stress levels and improve overall eye comfort. Environmental factors. Our environment plays a significant role in eye health too. From harmful UV rays to indoor air pollutants, there are plenty of external factors that can affect our vision. By taking simple precautions, you can protect your eyes and keep them healthy for years to come. Environmental factors such as sunlight and air quality can significantly impact our eye health. Let's take a closer look at how these factors can affect our eyes and what steps we can take to protect them. Firstly, exposure to sunlight can pose both benefits and risks to our eyes. While sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D and can boost our mood, excessive exposure to UV rays can increase the risk of eye conditions such as cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. That's why it's crucial to wear sunglasses with UV protection whenever we're outdoors, especially during peak sun hours. Sleep and eye health. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic: sleep. Quality sleep is essential for overall health, including the health of our eyes. But in today's digital world, our screens can wreak havoc on our sleep quality. Fear not though, because we've got some tips to help you get the restorative sleep your eyes crave. In today's digital age, our exposure to blue light from screens has become ubiquitous. But what many people don't realize is the impact it can have on our sleep quality. Blue light emitted by smartphones, tablets, computers, and even LED lights can disrupt our natural sleep-wake cycle by suppressing the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep. Exposure to blue light in the evening can trick our brains into thinking it's still daytime, making it harder to fall asleep and reducing the overall quality of our sleep. Fortunately, there are simple solutions to mitigate the effects of blue light on our sleep. Blue light filters, available as both software applications and physical screen protectors, can help reduce the amount of blue light emitted by our devices, especially in the evening hours. Additionally, many devices now come with built-in features that allow you to adjust the color temperature of the screen, shifting it towards warmer, less stimulating tones as the day progresses.